All these diamonds in my chains got me dancing around this bitch. I'm Martin Luther King, black diamonds on my wrist. Put Giuseppe's on my kids, put Sugar Coco on my bitch. Put that fofo on the squid, then you pop that dip.
Yo, what's going on? Good morning. Day 2, Slammedenuff Nashville. Very excited about today. Today, anytime they do like a 2-day show, it's usually Sunday. It's like the crew day. So there ends up being like really good groups of people, really good groups of cars, and for me, this is the day that I'm going to do VIP cars. So today my booth cars, 2 big bodies. I'll run you through them in just a second. But like I said in yesterday's video, anything that is left over from this weekend, all of the new merchandise, the new drop, go to the website right now, grab some of that stuff. Massively appreciate you guys for all the support. This has been an incredible weekend so far. I feel like I say this every single event, but it's super, super humbling to just see so many people, you know, coming by and buying stuff. But not only that, seeing so many people wearing my stuff. It's starting to get to a point where I've done enough shows in this kind of general area in the Midwest where every show that I go to, any kind of event, any kind of meet, I see so many people wearing LEP stuff, and like, I want to cry half the time because it's so fucking cool. But anyways, guys, let me run you through this booth setup. Huge shout out to Samantha. We went up to the BG house last night. She got absolutely trashed. Came back, slept, got up this morning like a fucking champ, came here, and while I was talking to my booth cars and chatting with some people and catching up, not really doing anything, I didn't even know she set up the entire booth. She literally organized everything, got it presentable, did inventory on every side, which totally didn't need to do, but like, this is why Samantha is now an employee of LEP. It's incredible. So huge shout out to Samantha. Go follow her at Sam's Modern Life. Anyways, let's run through this booth. Alright, so I really don't need to say a whole lot because you guys already know how excited I get about these cars specifically. But I am going to keep saying this. I am going to buy one. I am going to buy a Y32 SEMA. I don't know if it's going to be the next project directly after the LS, but it's possible. If the right deal comes along and I find one, I want one. This is my top imported car ever. Anyways, Y32 SEMA. This is owned by my friend Anthony. Fucking beautiful car. Baz rears. One of the coolest things I love about these cars, which I'm very jealous about, is that they have chrome door handles and mirror caps from factory. I'm trying to find chrome door handles for my car, and like the only thing that I can find is the covers. I don't want covers, I want actual chrome door handles. Anyways, yeah, this car is super sweet. This is a very common color, this like green-blue color. It has an Artisan Spirits lip kit, which is the same kit that Alex, my booth car for Riverside, had on it. These are 19s, the car is static, it's decently low. Very just hard car. Like, this just looks so good. And one of the things I was looking at earlier, like I was looking at the side profile, this has the same wheelbase as the LS430, but it looks so much longer, and I think it's just the profile of the car. It's a very, very big car. Little gnarly steering wheel. One of the coolest things that I like about these interiors is they're tan, but like instead of being like a light cream color, it's like this darker brown, which I think is sick. I don't know how well it comes across on camera, but I really like the way that that looks. We got some Junction Produce goodies in here, the black, and then I'll show you that in a second. But yeah, this car has factory touchscreen GPS. It's a 92, I think it's a 92. Fairly ridiculous that it has that, and there's so many cool little quirks and features in these cars that you just don't even realize. One of them being that that is an electric parking brake on a 92. That's ridiculous. So many seat controls on the doors, JP curtains. Listen to this door close. Gorgeous. Alright, in the back, this shit's crazy, okay? These seats recline. Reclining seats in a fucking Nissan from 92. As you can see right here, there's some mirrors, which you're like, okay, what does that mean? It says look up. This right here is a fucking crazy ass infinity mirror. Like, that is fucking sick. So yeah, Anthony's done some really, really cool, unique touches with this thing. Definitely a very, very sick car. And also, it has some weird surround sound system that's like come factory in these things, and you can like change the ambience, all kinds of crazy shit. Japanese VIP cars are like one of the most fascinating things ever. Just bone stock. Bone stock, these cars are so cool. There's an air purifier where you can like change the sets. What American car comes with any of this stuff for that year looks this cool? I don't even know what else. There's nothing that compares. These are so sick. I think that's why these cars have such a cult following, is because they're just so cool. And again, listen to this door close. Oh my god. Oh, and also, any VIP car would not be complete without some fucking chasing taillights. These motherfuckers are sick. Need to move on before I get too fucking excited and talk for 20 minutes about this one car that I have a boner over right now. We'll leave the 32 alone for a second. As you can see, we have the booth looking good. We got Andrew looking good. We got Samantha looking okay. I'm just kidding. She can't hear anything that I'm saying. It's what? Buffin?
What?
Hell yeah, dude. Macaroni?
With the chicken strips?
Of course. I don't feel like I need to, but I'm gonna run you through a fucking new drop. All of this shit. Anything that's left from this weekend is on the website, so go grab all of this stuff right now. I know we're out of certain sizes, but you know how that shit goes. If you ain't here, then you're missing out. Okay, so second booth car. LS430. I have known this car for years. I've had JR on Facebook for a long time, and so I've known of this car, and I have never seen it. Both of these cars are from Pittsburgh, PA, but yeah, this car has been something that's been on my radar forever, and I'm so glad to like finally, one, have it in front of me, and two, like it be at my booth. As you can tell, UCF 30. Where do I start, dude? Fucking right here is a good place to start. All triple chrome Garsons, 19s. If he would sell these, like, I would run the fuck out of these on my car. Like, these would look so good on mine. You know, it's got a kit on it. It has paint match window visors, bunch of lighting upgrades, Q45 projectors. It has mini Qs. I don't remember the exact brand, but these are like high beam LEDs as fog lights. They're extremely bright. Chasing turn signals. Big fan of this grille. I'm not usually a fan of a grille in that style, but I think it fits this car real well. I'm trying to convince him for Gatlinburg to wrap the lower half of this car silver to match mine. So, if you guys would like to see this thing twinning with my car at Gatlinburg, because we both have triple chrome wheels and we both be white two-tone, post in the comments or like this fucking video, because that's something that I want to see, and I'm just trying to convince him. Anyways, moving on. Puddle lights on the side, real subtle touch. Most people kind of just do underglow. It's a little bit too like pricey and kind of just cliche. Puddle lights, a little bit classier. So if you're into VIP stuff, this is probably the route to go, as opposed to doing underglow. Chasing LED tails, which, you know, big body cars like these have so much real estate to work with in the tail lights that's why they end up being so crazy. There's just so much space to put LEDs. Yeah, quad tips. The kit, I believe, is the Shine Auto kit. It looks real good. Very just well put together, well done car. And like I said, I've known of this car for years, and it's finally been like, it's not 100% complete, because I know that he has crazy vented fenders that he usually runs, but I guess they're not finished yet. So those aren't on the car right now, but the next time that you see it in one of my videos, they should be on there. That's the booth. It's the booth cars for today, and there is another car that I'm trying to get over by the booth, which, if it gets here, I will show it to you. Oh, baby. So, I don't know how this ended up happening, but I'm very thankful for it. Riverside booth car, Dustin, now here. Whatever next big body, beautiful vehicle that pulls in right there is 100% needing to go right in this general area. I'm very excited about this.
Yeah. Fit check. Gucci, Louis.
Fresh Rolex. It's the new... Damn, it's kind of fluffy on here. Fuck. I should have lint rolled this. Nice little green, forest green LEP Rose logo shirt. John's.
Another one.
White socks, some Vans. Oh, that might be a stain on there. Ignore that. I like sauce, but I'm also fucking filthy. I'm looking for mommies today. Alright, we finally have a full lineup of cars in here, and I'm going to show you this one fucking sick car. I was very excited about. The owner actually lives in Nashville. I had no idea that there were other VIP cars that lived close to me, so I'm kind of stoked. But I'm going to show you that car in just a second. I'll run you down this whole lineup right here. Obviously already been over it. LS430, Booth, Y32 SEMA, Dustin's 460, this thing, another Y32, it's a Gloria. The one car that I was excited to show you is the Gloria. So this car I saw at Riverside, but didn't get a chance to get a good look at it. I don't see these cars all that often. Obviously you guys know that I'm a big fan of the Y32 platform, and this thing is so sick. So I found out yesterday, one, it's female owned, and two, I met her at the party at BG last night, and she lives in Nashville, or just north of Nashville. So very close to me, and I had no idea that there were like more people into VIP cars that were like in the general area that I live in. So, you know, if you're in Nashville or the Midwest even, and you're into VIP cars, let me know. Like, I want to see what the actual community's like. So this is the original paint color. I don't know exactly what color it is. In pictures, it kind of looks purple sometimes, but it's like a cool gray. And then 7K wheels with the hearts. I believe these are triple chrome. They look like they are. That's a crazy, crazy wheel. Here's her Instagram. Go take a look at the pictures on there, and the Hot Wheel. There's some lace. Just a sick fucking car.
Hella shameless, necklace on me decorated. All this got me feeling jaded. Hold up, I'll be waiting. Bad thing on my radar. Told me that I'm in a playlist. Flower bomb, she a lotus. Got me thinking that I'm famous. I remember when I prayed for this. No sleep, cause I'm anxious. All this shit for entertainment. Crazy thinking that it's day one. All this business for the taking. Yeah, hold it down for the nameless. Yeah, oh yeah. I've been on a grind, yeah. Like I'm really on the rails. Like my life is on the line, yeah. I've been getting mines in. I've been on the you, nothing left to lose. Get into the bag, yeah. I've been on the you, I'm seeing how you move. Imagine all the things we get into. I need you to fuck with me all the way. I need it all, baby. Let me see you drop it. Make sure it's all the way down. I'ma keep it solid. If you hold me all the way down, and fuck with me all the way. I need it all, baby. Let me see you drop it. Make sure it's all the way down. I'ma keep it solid. I'm with you all the way. Ooh, you looking good, you got me going. I love it when you put that thing in motion. I got some things I wanna show you. Just let me in it, I bet I could have you floating. Pull up to the crib, blow up your spot, I'll make you miss it. Way you looky lost, I know you got them feeling sicko. Throwing up them bands, sit back and watch them Billies trickle. The way she do the vibes, it got me focused on that.
Alright, it's been a couple of hours, maybe like 4 hours. It's been a really good day so far, not as busy as yesterday, but we're chilling. We're about to shoot some stuff, hopefully some merch product pictures. There's actually some stuff left over, so if you guys want to go to the website, pick up some stuff, you can go ahead and do that. I'm surprised because honestly I thought there was going to be nothing left. There's actually way more than I expected, so that's good for you guys. If you want to grab some stuff, you can.
Everybody is attacking.
Everybody loves a nice, like, fucking hot dog, you know?
Lizzie Gobbler.
Absolutely. Juicy. You got a little bit of char here. Nice texture.
Listen, he's
Ketchup
going.
and mustard, fucking great.
He's going.
Do you see me talking about a fucking hot dog right now? Eat your fucking tater tots.
Listen here, motherfucker. I swear to God.
You better watch, but she gonna stab you in the head.
Well, I know.
Listen, this work is gonna do more than just eat my goddamn tater tots.
Is that shit buzzing?
That's your bustin'.
No, I won't.
Respectfully.
Alright, show is almost over. Unfortunately, Samantha's about to leave. She's been an absolute gem this weekend. Set up, basically did everything for me, so this made my life so much easier. But it's been a really good like back and forth, me kind of talking with people, whatever, catching up, and then she's able to fill in, and then vice versa. Thank you so fucking much, so much. Samantha will be joining me for other shows this year. I think you're gonna come to ASM, Gatlinburg, and whatever else that is justifiable for her to come out and stuff. So I need her here. And this is Mace. He's done nothing but sit in this chair all weekend.
He's been a pretty face behind the fucking. Apparently, I have a nicely shaped face to her.
Mace is a model. All right, the weekend is over. Show is done. Everything's packed down. Cars rolling out. What a good weekend. I think this was like the first time going to a show where I saw so many goddamn people wearing my stuff. Like, yeah, I'll see a lot of people wearing my stuff at every show, which is a great feeling, but this weekend was insane. Like, people wearing like older drops, like the fresh stuff. It's just so cool to see, and like, I don't know, I don't even know how to explain it. It's just like a really cool feeling that something that I came up with, something that I designed, is like something that people fucking wear, and that's awesome. So yeah, it was a good weekend. Huge shout out to obviously everybody that helped me out this weekend. Samantha killed it, Andrew, my photographer, killed it, Jello killed it with all the cinematic stuff. Macy and Mick just helped me pack down the tent because no one else was around. Samantha had to leave to go to the airport and Andrew was driving her there, so they weren't here. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna end off this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the Nashville content. We'll probably be back with either some LS content or possibly some other stuff. I am going down to Destin in 2 weeks from now, so yeah, there's some exciting shit coming for that. I will announce very soon.
Hi. Oh, no. Are you zooming in on my face right now?
I would never.
Is your new booth?
You wanna end off the video?
How?
I don't know, do something.
I don't know. I feel like you're really close to my face.
I'm not
right
really
now.
close to your face.
What do I say? Bye. Bye.
And then put your hand over the lens.
What?